Nĩ thibitari hamwe na thukuru wa kiiriu iria ithondeketwo mwena wa Dol Dol kaunti-ini ya Laikipia niguo gutangikira ciana cia airitu iria ihonokagio kuumana na ugimaria wa kiahinya undu umwe na ihiko cia tene kuri ciana nini. Thibitari uyu wambiriirio itanya-ini ria guthaitira miturire ya ciana iria ihoto ciao ciagararitwo na kumahe mwihoko mweru muturire-ini kugerera mathomo maria maramathomithia kuria ciana makiria ya 50 iragunika na mathomo maya.
We really need to show to men that we are nice and they should be nice to us too. So, and here, those girls here, thanks to One More Day for Children, thanks to many good people in Zcech Republic and all over the world, they can know what to do in their lives to be happy women.
Akiaria hindi ya icera kuri ciana ici Njuguna, uria ni umwe wa atongoria a gikundi giki kuma bururi-ini wa Zcech Republic, unyitaniri-ini na bururi wa Kenya, augite no meguthie na mbere na gutungatira ciana o hamwe na kuhurana na maundu mahituke ni mahinda.
Started this organization with Helena Gatogo together at 2009, so now it's 2020, and after this 11 years we built this children's home where is the nursery school, where is the hall kitchen, where is the sleeping beds, where is everything for the children what they need. So right now we have 58 children from early marriage, from the street, and everybody is happy going to school and it's perfect.
Gukiri uguo, ciana iria ikoretwo ikigunika na mubango uyu kwa ihinda ria miaka 10 mihituku ni magite na kanya ga kwigwatira mathomo ikiro-ini itiganite, undu uria maugite ni makenereire.
Wasichana wengi wetu tuna lengo maishani na pia tunataka kuachieve ili tuweze kuwasaidia pia wengine wanao shida kama hii.
Very grateful for these people. Actually they have helped me a lot and I'm very grateful.
Kaunti iria ikoragwo igumeirwo ni ndeto eno ni kaunti ya Samburu, Laikipia na Narok. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.